When machines work harder, farmers can work smarter. Let's take a tour of the top agri-machines that are making life easier and yields higher. The integration of a high-clearance unloading system on the X16 hazelnut harvesting reduces the bottleneck often faced during peak harvest. With a 2.8-meter discharge height and hydraulic tipping, it can offload directly into tall trailers or storage bins, streamlining the post-harvest workflow without requiring intermediate handling. The synergy between the AgSeed AgBot and the Jones bed tiller exemplifies optimized tool design. The bed tiller is engineered for sandy soil, and the AgBot's 3.5 kilometers per hour speed is crucial for its effective distribution and mixing without compromising soil structure. The 150 millimeter depth demonstrates technical refinement tailored to specific crop needs. For farmers managing multiple fields with varying vegetation, the flat-top design of the Spearhead ProLine Multicut 650 is more than cosmetic. By reducing the retention of plant residue, it minimizes the unintentional transfer of invasive weed seeds, a small detail that makes a big impact on cross-contamination control. The most unique aspect of the EA Vision J100 is its claim as the world-first drone that can avoid electric wires. This isn't just a minor improvement, it's a significant leap in safety, eliminating collision concerns with power lines. This feature, combined with active obstacle avoidance day and night, makes the J100 an exceptionally reliable flying machine, especially in complex environments like farms or mountainous regions. You don't often find a rock picker that lets you windrow and collect in one go, but that's exactly what the Spartan RWP1935 delivers. Instead of having separate machines for each task, this combo unit cuts time and fuel use in half. For growers juggling tight schedules, that's a game changer. The Stipa H6040TK124BS redefines lifting capability. With its 13-meter telescopic arm system extending far, coupled with the separation of the cabin and power unit, this crane significantly boosts its lifting capacity, hubcraft, when the cabin is extended. It ensures less load on the roof structure, allowing you to handle large volumes of material without concern. With a 540 RPM PTO and integrated hydraulic and electric connections, the Monarch Autonomous Tractor MKV is truly versatile. It powers traditional farming implements with ease, allowing operators to transition smoothly from diesel tractors to an electric autonomous solution without losing functionality. Handling two 500-meter net rolls at once, the Revolution Net Master supports rolls up to 1,900 millimeters in height, enabling non-stop net deployment without the need for frequent reloading. This feature proves invaluable for large farms aiming to efficiently cover extensive fields. Reducing fuel costs is crucial in modern farming, and the Steyr Grabenfräse SGF1300 delivers exactly that. With trenching capabilities of 1,300 millimeters deep and 350 millimeters wide, it cuts fuel use by over 50% compared to traditional machines, saving money and reducing environmental impact. Mularski Greenhouse Vegetable Seedlings uses a fully automated seedling production process, from sowing and irrigation to climate control. This ensures even growth, strong roots, and excellent resilience. Their diverse product line, ranging from leafy greens and tomatoes to grafted vegetables, suits various greenhouse models across Europe and beyond. Without relying on sprays, the Coastal Tractor Bugvac 5x80-inch physically eliminates pests by vacuuming them away from crops. Modern rice harvesters, like those used at Ongonomagumi, are equipped with lightweight yet highly precise cutting systems that minimize grain loss during harvesting. Adjustable cutting height and flexible harvesting speeds allow the machine to adapt well to various field conditions. With 75-centimeter row spacing, the Stikity camera control for carrots adapts to different varieties and densities. Transport round bales up to 6 times faster with Ballenboy, capable of handling 6 bales in record time. Its adaptable design works seamlessly across various bale diameters without reconfiguration, needing just one tractor with at least 40 kilowatt power. The tough-built track tractor with a disc harrow significantly boosts efficiency. Powerful traction tills soil deeply, optimizing crop prep. Bale grabbing mechanism of the Millstack SP/3255 bale stacker helps preserve bale quality. Instead of rolling or sliding on a conveyor, bales are gently lifted and placed. This minimizes deformation, crumbling, or wrapping damage, ensuring finished bales maintain their best shape and value when they reach storage. The integration of the Pykrite HC290 harvester with the RG78 bin is optimized for fast harvesting and safe transport. The control system easily integrates with tractors, allowing flexible speed and load adjustments to maintain product quality throughout the harvesting process. At the forefront of KUHN's Pro Push lineup, the HPX 195 offers an impressive 950 cubic feet of capacity, designed specifically for commercial and large-scale agricultural use. Its hydraulic push system is engineered to efficiently handle a broad range of semi-solid and solid manure types, ensuring dependable performance in demanding conditions. Not all vineyards are the same, and the Provatus Farv SE230 is designed to adapt. Especially effective in arched guyot vineyards or dense trellising systems, the machine pull shoots downwards, better handling tangled canes. It addresses challenges that other chute pullers often overlook. The Picea 66X hay tedder's design allows hay to be picked up, fluffed, and spread in one continuous motion. Its asymmetrical tines and tine arms are arranged to create a vortex-like movement, ensuring even spreading and rapid drying. This process reduces drying time and supports better forage preservation. Yanmar YMD 50 root balling machine. Precise blades create firm root balls, maximizes plant survival, efficient for nurseries. Converting a Kuiap forklift into the Stroyop bedding spreader is a practical innovation in livestock farming. By replacing the lifting mast with a large bunker, it allows efficient distribution of bedding material without the need for extra labor. Combining the best of tradition and technology, this self-propelled olive harvester offers maximum convenience for operators. The rapid emptying system minimizes waiting times, creating a more comfortable working environment. With a highly structured workflow, the Trebro SSC 2017 roll harvester integrates all harvesting stages, from sod cutting to pallet stacking, into a single streamlined process. This allows operators to achieve higher output quality with minimal manual oversight. Marson's self-built conveyor garlic planter is a testament to practical innovation. He addressed a farming need with a clever and simple. Designed with speed in mind, the Super Bio Chopper Compact enables faster removal of heavy plant residues, like cherry tomato vines, ensuring quick turnaround between crops. It's an ideal choice for interplanting greenhouses that require minimal downtime. Two John Deere tractors work in parallel on the same farm, each equipped with a 5-bottom plow, one from Kuhn and the other from Fontaine. This is a clear example of how modern mechanization can double productivity in plowing operations. Boasting an incredible capacity of up to 100 tons per hour, Cross Agricultural Engineering's carrot washer is a high-productivity solution. This machine not only cleans thoroughly, but also integrates a destoning feature, ensuring an efficient and continuous processing flow for all vegetables. The Steyr SKP Mini Kabelflug is extremely compact, only 87.6 centimeters wide. It easily enters narrow yards, installing cables and pipes in tight spaces. Ideal for urban areas. Maintaining ditches and field edges is critical for farm productivity. Using the John Deere 6830 with the HEMOS attachment helps keep water flow unobstructed, preventing flooding and soil erosion in polder landscapes near Nijkerk. Fendt brake tests, making sure your brakes aren't just for show. Utilizing a press screw mechanism, the Fliegel-Tapir 375 takes in liquid manure, compressing it against a sieve to separate solids from liquids. The solids are expelled drier, and the liquid passes through for further treatment or application. Using Chechi and Magli PS14 mulch layer does more than cover soil. It helps stabilize temperature and moisture around roots, benefiting sensitive crops. In the past, rice transplanting was grueling, hunched under the sun. Now small transplanters free up labor, easing farmers' burden and completing tasks quickly. Shumone operates by generating a special hot foam layer that is evenly sprayed onto the ground or plants. The high temperature of the foam, exceeding 70 degrees Celsius, causes protein denaturation in plant tissues. This process destroys cell structures, leading to weed wilting and drying within days, while minimizing impact on soil and beneficial organisms. Spinach has an incredibly fast growth cycle, just 4 weeks in summer to mature. This is precisely why using machinery for harvesting is crucial. Machines help shorten collection time, ensuring the spinach is picked at its freshest, preserving full quality and nutrients. Modern agricultural methods adapted through practical insights from farmers. In areas with irregular rainfall, a pump helps farmers manage irrigation independently, reducing drought-related crop losses. Small fields rely on manual mulch removal, but large farms benefit from mechanical systems. Proper mulch removal helps regulate soil moisture, resulting in sweeter, more uniform, and better-looking corn ears. This 63cc earth auger creates holes of uniform size and depth, perfect for planting large trees. It ensures superior work quality compared to manual digging. Who invented this egg sorter? Genius! When working on steep slopes or in tight spaces, the Berg Talent combined with the All-Round Max is a dependable solution. Its adjustable working depth, active side conveyor belt, and ability to pick up forage even in wet conditions make it ideal for challenging terrain. Kadolu 280ED and 180ED walnut peeling machines are designed to optimize processing efficiency, ensuring quick and precise shell removal while minimizing product loss. Forget Fast and Furious. This is slow and suspenseful. If only our grandparents had this machine earlier, they'd probably be chilling with some popcorn instead of bending over shelling each kernel. If only our grandparents... Thanks to the banana tree cutting machine's lightning speed, your chickens will be plump and happy. Agriculture is evolving, and Mega Hub is your front row seat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.